Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're going to be making a tomato, egg, ham, and cheese sandwich in a cast iron skillet. So we're going to have to make a pocket for our eggs. I just take a jar lid, in this case a peanut butter jar lid, and just push down. Just like that, and make a little pocket. Now we're going to set our stove burner to medium low and let it get nice and hot. It'll take about 4 minutes. Now that we have our pan hot, we can spritz a little bit of oil in there, just like that, and then we can actually lay our bread in there with the little pocket, and we can crack our egg in there. Just like that. And now all we got to do is cover it and let it cook for a while. Now we can check our egg. Take the lid off and just see how done that egg is. That's perfect. Now we can build our sandwich. Put a little cheese on there. Put a little bit of ham on there. Now we add our tomatoes. Pretty thick slices of tomato. Now we got to put the usual on there, salt and pepper, a little bit of pepper, and a little bit of salt on the tomato there, and we add our bread and push down on it and get ready to flip it. There you go. Looks beautiful. Beautiful. All right, let's get ready to plate that up. And we'll get into it and see how it looks. Let's check it out. Yeah, it's beautiful. Well, there you have it, folks. Perfect ham, egg, tomato sandwich with cheese. Well, friends, that's it for this one. More info is in the description. And just remember, if I can do it, you can do it. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.